It is now a mandatory requirement for all port workers, visitors and contractors to hold a valid Dublin Port Pass to gain access to the common user areas in Dublin Port. The North Port Common User Area refers to the following areas on the north side of the port, accessible from Alexandra Road. Alexandra Quay East, which has 3 operational berths, berths 38, 39 and 40. Ocean PIER, Alexandra Basin East, which has 6 operational multi-purpose berths, berths 32 to 37, and 2 operational row-row ramps. Alexandra Quay West, which has 4 operational berths, berths 28 to 31, and 1 operational row-row ramp. The South Port Common User Area is located on the south side of the River Liffey on South Bank Quay. This area is an open quay and can be accessed via 2 link roads from Pigeon House Road. There are 2 operational berths, berths 46 and 47, in the South Port Common User Area, commonly referred to as Coal Quay. These are restricted access operational areas, and entry into these areas is managed by Dublin Port Company and Doyle Shipping Group. Remember, no Dublin Port Pass, no entry, no exceptions. Your support is important for a safe, secure and healthy work environment for all.